This is how you can become a video editor in 2026 even if you have never used any video editing software before. And this is no bullshit guide, no complex AI techniques, and no heavy motion graphics. This is totally beginner friendly guide. Step 1. Get a cheap laptop. No need for expensive MacBook Pro. If you have tons of money, then just go for it. Make sure the laptop has at least 16 gigs of RAM, RTX 2070 graphics card, and 500 gigs of SSD. Great. Step 2. Install Capcut or Adobe Premiere Pro. Or if you have the expensive laptop, then you can install Davinci Resolve. Great. Can't afford the premium versions of these softwares? Then just use Capcut free version for God's sake. Don't try to be a professional from day one. Step 3. Open the Capcut free version and watch it carefully. Read all the buttons. Just read the buttons and explore the interface of the editing software. Nothing else. Step 4. Open your mobile camera. Record a short video. Export it in the editing software. Step 5. Use the trim button and start cutting the video randomly. Step 6. Add transitions like there are pre-made transitions in the Capcut. Just go to the transitions and add them between the cuts. Try different video effects in Capcut and just play with it. Step 7. Follow your brain and just do whatever the hell it says and apply the transitions, effects, color grading, text animations, auto captions, whatever the hell your brain says, and click on any button which seems tempting. Step 8. Never waste time on tutorial before you follow the above steps. Step 9. Record video with your mobile and try to edit it by yourself. Step 10. If you like editing talking head videos, watch talking head videos and focus on the animations, texts. If you like editing traveling, vacation videos, watch movies and focus on the storytelling and just do it. Step 11. Never be overwhelmed by the length of the raw footage. Just export it in the editing software and play with it. The more you practice, the more you will be expert very quickly. Step 12. Please make a YouTube channel and upload your edits there from day one with no copyright music. Create Fiverr and Upwork accounts if you are planning to start freelancing. Never wait till you become a professional. Just dive in. I started freelancing as a video editor through my mobile on Upwork. Good luck. I just spoke whatever the hell my mind asked me to say. No overthinking.